Hello friends, in this video we are going to analyze Quant Tax Plan Direct Mutual Fund from Quant AMC. Before we start this video, let us understand some basic information about Quant Mutual Fund AMC. This AMC got established in the year 1996. The total asset under the management is around 7,696 crores. The official website of this Quant Mutual Fund AMC is www.quantmutual.com. There are more than 42 different varieties of mutual funds being offered by this Quant Mutual Fund AMC. Let's get into the video by analyzing Tax Plan Direct Fund from Quant Mutual Fund AMC. Let us start by seeing some basic information about this Tax Plan Fund. This fund got launched on 1st January 2013. This is going to be an open-ended fund. We can invest and withdraw the money anytime we want, except there is a lock-in period of 3 years because it falls under the category of equity ELSS. The main objective of this scheme is try to generate capital appreciation by investing in predominantly in equity shares with growth potential. The most of the money is going to be invested in the equity. Minimum 80% has to be invested since it is going to be an ELSS mutual fund. In this section of this video, we are going to analyze the scheme information of Tax Plan Direct Fund. In case you are thinking of investing in this mutual fund, minimum investment of SIP is going to be 500. Lump sum has to start with 500 rupees. The expense ratio associated with this mutual fund is 0.57% as on April 15th, 2022. The total asset under the management is around 1,166 crores. There is a lock-in period of 3 years since this is going to be an ELSS mutual fund. The benchmark which is being tracked by this mutual fund is Nifty 500 Total Return Index. There is no exit load, which means when you sell the mutual fund, there is no extra load that you need to pay. In this section, we will understand the fund manager details. The Tax Plan Direct Growth from Quant is being managed by Ankit A. Ponte, who is having more than 8 years of experience in mutual fund field, who is managing more than 5 mutual funds in his name. The risk associated with this Tax Plan Direct Mutual Fund is going to be very high. Most of the ELSS mutual fund will fall under the same category. Even Nifty 50 mutual fund will be falling under very high category. In this section of this video, we will see the scheme ratings provided by different third-party research companies. Value Research has given 5-star. At the same time, Morningstar also has given 5-star for this Tax Plan Direct Growth Plan for the Quant Mutual Fund. This is a top performing ELSS mutual fund based on the past performance and the ratings. In this section, we will analyze the fund allocation by market capitalization. This Tax Plan Direct Fund has got the allocation of 50.1% to buy large cap stocks. Mid cap has got the allocation around 31.06%. Remaining 9% has been allocated to buy stocks which are listed under small cap category. Since most of the money is being allocated on the large cap, the growth will be really good. In addition to that, 9% fund is being allocated to buy stocks which are listed under small cap category. In general, small cap category stocks will give more returns compared to mid cap and large cap. Since there is an allocation of 9%, the growth potential and the return potential of this mutual fund is going to be very high. In the next section, we will analyze the top 5 sectors which are part of this Tax Plan Direct Growth portfolio. The services sector has got allocation around 21.35%, whereas financial sector has got allocation of 19.29%. 15.24 has been allocated for the construction. In addition to that, 10.28% has been allocated for consumer staples, and metals and mining has got the allocation of 9.91%. In the next section of this video, we will analyze top 10 companies which are part of this direct tax plan portfolio. Vedanta Limited has got allocation of 8.4%. ITC has got the allocation of 7.67. State Bank of India has got the allocation of 7.61. L&T Limited has got 7.06%. Adani Enterprise has got 6.45%. Whereas from banking perspective, ICICI Bank has got allocation of 6.24 percentage. Adani Ports has got the allocation of 6.17 percentage. 3.34 percentage of money is allocated for HFCL, and 2.83 percentage has been allocated for IRB infrastructure. Remaining 2.62 percentage has been allocated for United Spirits stocks. Nearly 40 percentage has been allocated for large cap, and 30 percentage is for mid cap. Remaining 9 to 11 percentage is allocated for buying stocks which are under small cap category. Now we have come to the exciting part of this video, which is going to be absolute return calculation in percentage. This mutual fund has given the return of 48.72% in the last 1 year. In case of last 3 years, it has given the return around 164.81%. In case of last 5 years, it has given the return around 217.17%. Let us simplify this percentage calculation for the investment of 10,000 rupees. All these numbers are in absolute numbers. In the last 1 year, 10,000 investment would have given the return of 4,872 rupees. In case of last 3 years, it would have given the return around 16,480 rupees. In case of last 5 years, we would have got the return around 21,717 rupees, which is more than 217%. In this section of this video, I will show you some of the alternative funds that you can consider for comparison before you choose this tax direct plan for your investment choice. It is always advisable that we compare the peers before we select one for our investment. All this decision has to be made by your own analysis, and please ensure that the expense ratio of the mutual fund is less, so that when you redeem your investment, you don't need to pay extra money in terms of expense ratio. Now we have come to the end of this video. So far we have analyzed tax direct fund from Quant Mutual Fund AMC. Hope you would have liked this video. Do subscribe for our YouTube channel Financial Techie for more investment related videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Thanks for watching.